Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. And in today's video we'll be making these two cute spice buns. I'm firstly going to start off by dividing my hair into two sections. Now I'm going to divide my hair into three sections. I will split the first section of hair, which I tied up into a ponytail, into two sections. Thereafter, I will make two sections in the back and take the first sections of hair and tie it up with those two sections. I added some easy wave styling gel to each section. I used rubber bands for the front sections. And boom, what you do with the first section, you do on the second section. Thereafter, I will add some easy wave styling gel to the back sections of my hair and tie it up into two ponytails. Now I'm going to add the braiding hair to make the spice buns. I am going to wrap the hair around itself until I reach the last piece of hair, and then I will tie that down with a bobby pin. And in the front section, I'm just going to add a little bit of decoration. And here is the final look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. If you made it this far into the video, I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.